Welcome to our channel, where learning meets adventure. Hey there, travelers and language enthusiasts. Are you ready to embark on a journey to the Philippines and dive into the heart of Cebuano culture? Introducing our exclusive subscription content focused on learning Cebuano. Whether you are gearing up for a trip or simply fascinated by the beautiful language of the Visayas, we've got you covered. Here's what can you expect. Personalized one-on-one coaching sessions tailored to your learning pace and needs. 2. Practice reading and speaking confidently with our interactive sessions, designed to make your journey seamless and enjoyable. 3. Join our community of learners and immerse yourself in practical language skills that will enrich your travel experiences. Ready to take the next step? Subscribe today, and let's embark on this exciting language adventure together. See you